fly, but how? Well, Captain Hook and I were battling, and we would go like this, and then he told me a limit that was indeterminate, and it was 0 over 0 and infinity over infinity, but I just don't know how to deal with indeterminate forms. It's just too hard, Tink. And he's like, you won't know how to fly until you can drive, and I mean, what does that mean, Tink?
Well, Peter, I think I can help you. I think you need to use L'Hôpital's rule. It's like this magical form of calculus that helps you solve indeterminate limits. It's really quite exciting. You see, if you get an indeterminate form when you're solving your limit, to see how far you can get with your pixie dust, like 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, then you take the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom. And then you take the limit of that instead, and it's the same thing. And that's how you solve your limit.
I kind of have a confession, Tink.
What's wrong, Peter?
I never learned how to drive.
You never learned how to drive? Well, I think I have a way to help. You gotta bring the power down and put it at the head. Unless you got a coefficient, then you times the 2 instead. Then you take the power and subtract it by 1. So that is the new exponent, and now you are done. Word.
Now, what do you do if you have a coefficient?
I got this, Peter. You gotta bring the power down and put it at the head. Unless you have a coefficient, then you times the 2 instead. Then you take the power and subtract it by 1. So that is the new exponent, and now you are done. Word.
That makes much more sense, Tink. So, you plug it in, you get infinity over infinity, use L'Hôpital's rule like Tink said, and you get life! Tink, it didn't work. Your rules don't work.
Peter, you forgot to bring the power to the head.
Oh. So that would be 12x squared over 1.
Yes.
Sine of x over x. Plug in the 0 would be 0 over 0. L'Hôpital's rule, like Tink said. And then we take the derivative of the top. 1. Yes, I think that's right. Tink, I think I got it.
Peter, what were you thinking? The derivative of sine isn't negative cosine, it's positive.
Oh. So it would be just plain old cosine,
Yep.
of x, which would equal to 1.
Mm-hmm.
So I can go 1 pixie squints.
I do believe you can.
Yay! I figured it out, Hook. Thanks to Tink, I know how to derive.
That gosh darn fairy. And this is still my ship. Learn some respect for your elders. So, you think you can find the limit now?
Yes, I can.
So, if you have infinite bags of pixie dust,
Then you take, as long as it's infinity over infinity, you take the derivative of the top and the bottom. So that'll be 3x squared over 1. And you plug it in and it's infinity, so I can fly as long as I want.
oh yeah? Well, what if it's 0?
Then you
Before you came into my life, I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad. Finish me! I just cannot work under these conditions anymore. It's too much. Hook out. It's broken. I got my leg fixed in. It's so beautiful. Isn't she pretty? Hitting my mustache.
Following the leader, the leader, the leader. We're following the leader wherever he may go.
You know what, Peter? I don't need your help.
Your mama doesn't need my help.
Dang, insult my mother.
Actually.
You went too soon! We are the pirates
That don't do anything. We just say